Welcome to my channel. So in this topic we are going to learn about the SQL commands and we will see the DML. DML is nothing but data manipulation language. So SQL commands is also called as SQL subsets. So under SQL commands there are four SQL commands: data manipulation language, that is DML, DDL data definition language, DCL data control language, and last one is TCL transaction control language. So these four SQL commands comes under SQL commands and SQL subsets. So today we are going to see data manipulation language. So what commands comes under DML? So there is four commands: SQL, select, insert, delete, and update. So select, insert, delete, and update, these four commands comes under DML. So DML is nothing but data manipulation language, and under DML there are four commands: SQL, insert, delete, and update. So what SQL, why we use SQL select statement? So select statement basically we use to fetch data from the table. So if you want to fetch a data from the table, then you can use the select statements. So this is the basic use of the select statement. So insert, why we use the insert statement? Basically we use insert statement to insert a data into the table. So suppose we want to insert a data into a table from one table to another table, then we can use the insert command. So delete, why we use the delete? We use delete command to delete a records from a table. So basically we use the delete command to delete. Suppose we want to delete some particular records from a table, in that case we can use the delete command. Then update, we use update command to update any records from a table. So if you want to update any some particular records from a table, then in that case you can use the update commands. So these are the explanation of a data definition language: select, insert, delete, and update. So I have one table, select. So here I am checking one table and checking all the data from one table. So in this case I will use the select statement. So here I am writing one statement: select star is nothing but I am taking all columns from that table, star from table employee. So I already created one employee table, so we will fire this query. So in employee table there is three columns: employee ID, employee name, and employee department. So by using select command, you can check all the columns from a table. Suppose you want some particular columns, then you can use like employee underscore ID comma employee underscore name. You can write a particular column names from table employee. So this is the second command. By executing this command you will get only two columns instead of all columns. You will get only, suppose you want only two columns, then you can write the two columns only. Suppose you want all columns, you can write the star is nothing but it will fetch the all columns from employee table. So this is the use of select command. So insert is nothing but what? Insert, why when we use insert? Suppose you want to insert some new records into this employee table, then you will use the insert command. So what is the statement? We will see insert into table name. Our table name is employee. Then you need to write the values. Then values, then open and close bracket. Inside the bracket you suppose in employee table there is 3 columns, and you are here you can write the insert table, like suppose I am inserting employee id 10 comma, and the employee name is Umesh, comma, employee department is same, I am inserting IT. These are characters. So this is our insert statement. Okay, here I have inserted one row. We will select, we will check our row is inserted or not. So you can see the 7 number row we have newly inserted by using the insert command. So this is the basic use of the insert command. So delete is nothing but what? So delete command, suppose you want to delete some records from employee table, in that case you can use the delete command. So I have inserted this employee number 10 data row, one new row. Suppose you want to delete that row from this employee table, then you can use the delete command, like delete from employee table where. So here you have to use the filter condition where employee id is equal to 7 is equal to, sorry, 10. So by using this statement you can delete that deleted one record successfully. When you will select again this employee table, then you will not get that record because you have already deleted it. So in this PostgreSQL is auto committed, there is no commit required. Okay, then we will use the update command. We will see the how we can use the update. Suppose you want to update this employee id. Suppose here you are here you can see the 6 number row, the employee id is third and the employee name is Kishore and employee department is HR. So you want, suppose you want to update the employee department of a employee named Kishore. So if you want to update it from HR to IT, then how we can do it? So we will see. So update employee set. Here you need to write some standard format. Set employee department means which column you are going to update. Here I am going to update IT instead of HR. Here you need to write the filter condition where employee name is equal to Kishore. Suppose there is multiple Kishores are present in your table, then you need to write the employee ID also. Otherwise if your employee ID is primary key, then you can instead of writing employee name you can write the employee ID also, and employee ID is equal to 3. So there is multiple records because there is no any primary key. So the employee department here, here you can see the HR is there, but after using this update it will be IT. So here you have successfully updated. Then we will see the Kishore employee name department. So here you can see the Kishore Kishor employee ID is 3. Is this updated or not? It's not, still it's not updated. We will see why. So again it is showing 3. So we will fire one select statement, select star from, we'll use this filter here where select star from employee where employee name is equal to Kishore. Sorry, maybe these all are small words, so this is case sensitive. So data always always DB data is case sensitive. So again you need to update this. So here we have updated the two records, and when then again we need to check this employee table. Then here you can see the Kishore and the employee ID third. So the department is now changed from HR to IT. So here you have uh, so this is the overall explanation of the SQL commands. So we today we have seen the DML data manipulation language. So in this data manipulation language you have seen select, insert, delete and update. So the use of these all commands with the examples. By using employee table, we have seen how we can select the records, how we can insert the records, how we can delete the records, how we can update the records. So these are the overall explanation of the SQL commands and DML. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like and comment. Thank you.